Stop by and take a look at the 2016 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power locks, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.